don't think we will.
It's put that, yeah, there you go.
So we're ready?
Oh, yeah, I can hear everything we said in the beginning.
Can we delete that when we're done?
So we won't be posting the live? Yeah. This live will not be posted. That's a little bit of pressure off of us too.
It's all good.
You guys can go ahead.
Oh, okay. Hi, everybody. We're the new students here at the ARC, and we're going to take a second to introduce ourselves before we get started. So my name is Grace.
Hi, guys. My name is Caitlin. Hi, my name is Jenny.
Hi guys, my name is Brayden.
So we're going to get started with a quick activity. So my name was Grace. Grace starts with a G. Can you guys think of any animals that start with a G? Yes, at Shore House. Sorry, I can't hear you guys.
They're muted.
Oh, they're muted. Okay. Well, an animal that starts with a G is a giraffe. Starts with a G.
My name starts with the letter K because my name is Caitlin. What animal starts with the letter K? No one? Okay, my name starts with the letter K, and an animal that starts with the letter K is kangaroo.
My name is Jenny, and Jenny starts with the letter J. Can you think of an animal that starts with the letter J? How about jellyfish? Jellyfish starts with a J.
Hi guys, my name is Brayden. So Brayden starts with a B. Can you guys think of an animal that starts with the letter B? All right, an animal that starts with the letter B is a bear. That's the one that I first thought of whenever I was thinking an animal that starts with a B.
I'm gonna turn this on so they can talk to you.
Okay, can anyone tell me what day it is today? Do we know what day it is? If yesterday was Thursday, yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. What day is today?
Shamrock says hello.
Hi. Today is Friday. Today is Friday, which means tomorrow is, if today is Friday, what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. Good. Does anyone know what the date is? We have our calendar back here. Does anyone know what month it is? The month is January. The month is January. Do we know what the date is? The date is the 15th. The 15th of January.
We're gonna fix that.
Friday, January 15. Okay. How about the weather today? Do we know what the weather is outside today? It looks like we've got the sun shining through the windows at Shore House. Is it cloudy? Or is it sunny today? It's sunny today, isn't it? Oops. Yeah, today is sunny. Okay, so today our theme for Friday is Animal Day. And today we're going to be talking about birds, okay? So the sign for bird is this. You make a beak with your fingers. You put it in front of your mouth. Good. Yeah, that's bird. Good job. All right, we're going to move on to our next activity.
Hi guys, my name is Caitlin again, and I'm going to teach you some bird moves. All right, so the first move we're going to do is we're going to flap our wings like an eagle. So we're going to go up and down. Come on everybody, let's get moving. Up. Come on, Shore House. Try to move your arms out. Up. Down. Ready? Up, down. Come on, Shore House. Let's move our arms. Up and down. Good job. So now we're going to flap our wings like a duck. So ready? Up, down. Up, down. Good job, Shore House. Keep going. Up, down. One more time. Up and down. Good job. Next move we're going to do is move our head like a chicken. So I'm going to stand on the side so you can see me. You're going to move your neck out and in. Out and in. So you guys try it with me. Out, in. Out, in. Good job, Shore House. Keep going. Out, in. One more time. Out and in. Good job. Next move we're going to do is shake our tail feather. So ready? You're going to shake your tail feather just like this. Ready to get started? Let's go. Shake your tail feather. Shake your tail feather. One more time. Shake your tail feather. Good job. Last move we're going to do is we're going to move like a woodpecker. So we're going to go like this. Forward and back. Ready? Shore House, come on. Forward, back. Forward and back. Come on, Shore House. One more time. Forward and back. Good job, guys. Let's move on to the next activity.
All right, guys. Hi again. So my name is Braden, and the activity that I have for you today is we're going to identify different types of birds, okay? Does anybody remember the sign for birds? Can you guys show me? You guys know it. You just did it. Come on. We got it. You guys remember this? Yeah? Good job, Shore House. Awesome job. All right. So what we're going to do, so I have some photos, okay? Does anybody know what this is? Does that look familiar? Alrighty, so this is a duck. This is one of our birds for the day. Can anybody make the sound of a duck? What sound does a duck make? You guys remember? It says quack, quack, right? All right. What color is this bird? All right. This bird is a white bird. Does it have fur or does it have feathers? Okay. All right. So this bird has feathers. And is this one big or is it small? Trick question. This one's kind of a medium-sized bird. Alrighty, we're gonna move on to our next bird, okay? What is this bird? Can anybody tell me what kind of bird this is? This is a hen. You can tell because it's laying an egg, and hens lay eggs, right? What color is this bird? This bird is brown, right? What kind of feathers or fur does this bird have? Does it have fur or feathers? All right, this one also has feathers. Does this one look big or small to you guys? This one's also kind of in the middle. It's almost the size of a duck, right? All right, good job. What does this bird look like? Does this look like an eagle? Yeah, this bird is an eagle. What color is this bird? This bird is brown. Does this have fur or does it have feathers? This one also has feathers. And is it big or is it small? Hey, we can see you guys again. Is this a big bird or a small bird? Yeah, I can see you. Is it big? Okay. All right, this is a big bird. This one's bigger than the other ones we've seen so far, okay? All right, and last one. Can anybody tell me what kind of bird this is? This one's kind of tricky. All right, this is a woodpecker. Can anybody tell me what color this bird is? All right, this one is brown. Dark brown. Does this have fur or feathers? This one also has feathers. And does it look like it's big or does it look like it's small? This one's a little smaller, right? All right, that's all the birds we have for you guys today. And I'm going to pass it off to Grace, and she's going to have your last activity for you guys, okay?
Hi, everybody. My name is Grace again. We're going to talk about where these birds are from and where they live. So let's go back through them. This bird was an eagle. Do you guys know where an eagle lives? Eagles live way high up in the trees. Next, we're gonna remember our hen laying an egg. Do you guys know where a hen lives? A hen lives on a farm with all other farm animals. Next, we're going to talk about our duck. Do you guys know where a duck lives? A duck lives in a pond and swims on the water. Okay, everybody. So to wrap up our activity for today, I want to know if you guys have a favorite bird. My favorite bird is the duck. Do you guys have a favorite movement that we did today with Caitlin? Do you guys remember all of our moves? We flapped our wings. We shook our tail feathers.
Reach the maximum length.
That one's my favorite.
Goodbye.
And then last but not least, does anyone remember what the day is today? So it's January 15th today. January 15th is the date. And today is Friday, which means that tomorrow is going to be Saturday. Thanks, everybody, for joining us. It was so exciting to get to see you guys and introduce ourselves. We have a YouTube video up today that has a little bit longer of an introduction where we talk about what we like and what we dislike. And then our suggested video that's already uploaded is Mammals of the Alligator Farm with Rajay posted back in October. So if you guys want to go watch our introduction video and the Mammals of the Alligator Farm video. Thanks everyone for coming.
Thank you.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye.